Hello guys and welcome to this video. We're gonna be talking about your benchmark email action automation for work, which is actually one of our workflow apps that's gonna help you automate actions directly from your workflow for your benchmark email account. So let me show you how to set it up. We're inside the sub account. We scroll down here at the app marketplace and then we search for the app benchmark, install, allowed and install. There is a token required. In order to have it, let's switch to our benchmark platform. We got user profile, scroll down, we got integrations, key, we have our API key, we copy, we switch back, we paste. We're going to continue, we select the plan, and we go on confirm. I'm not going to confirm because we're going to be charged, but that's pretty much it, guys. Once you confirm, you go on complete installation and you have on install, which means that you guys are ready to go. You guys are now able to execute actions directly from your workflow for your benchmark email account. So, guys, if you ever have any question, feel free to reach out. We have a beautiful team, very dedicated, and who's also available 24/7 for you guys. Thank you for watching this video.